GDEA EV charging units for commercial workplaces. The GDEA experienced team install a range of electric vehicle EV chargers to best suit your needs, whatever the size of your business. We install complete, including ground and electrical works, and guide you through grant contribution by UK government, OLEV. The EV charging points are ideal for all sizes and types of businesses, including retail sites, community organizations, restaurants, house sites, manufacturing sites, faith buildings, car parks, and charities. When commercial businesses start generating their own electricity, it's common to integrate solar with some EV charging units. Companies can offer this charging service to both employees and visitors, monitored by back-office management systems. Standard commercial, fast, or rapid EV chargers, we can provide you with a proposal of electric car charging station costs. GDEA can offer a free, no-obligation site survey, providing you with a full workplace electric vehicle charging solution. GDEA are always looking for suitable sites across the UK, Scotland and Wales.